What is the threat? Above malware and viruses is a larger, overarching category, threats. Threats encompass malware and also include other online threats like phishing, identity theft, SQL injection, and more. What is malware? Malware is an umbrella term covering nearly every threat a connected computer or mobile device may face. It includes virus, Trojan, worm, backdoor, exploit, adware, potentially unwanted programs (PUP). While all computer viruses are malware, not all malware are viruses. Viruses are just one type of malware. What is virus? A program that, once downloaded to a system, can replicate itself. It does this by automatically modifying existing software or by inserting its own computer code. How will I know if my device has been infected? Your device begins running slower than usual. You notice a shortage of available storage space. Pop-ups and unwanted programs appear on your device. Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel NB InfoTech. Thanks for watching.